Once your tree branches have dried, then it's time to add other details, like if you wanted to add a bird, for example. I'm using a small brush for my details. Most birds, their body is shaped like a letter D, so I start with a D shape. And the tail is usually a triangle. My beak's bleeding a little bit, but that's okay because I want the head to be dark on this bird. Using just the tip to make some little birdie feet. If it bleeds too much, we can pinch your brush dry. Soak things up. I'm just using the very tip. You're adding teeny tiny birds and things on your branches. For the flowers, cherry blossoms are usually reddish or pinkish. So we can use some red paint, paint some blossoms so they're attached to your branches. Once you have flowers on your dark branches, then we need to make a wash for your lighter branches. So I'm using my main color and adding water to thin it out. If the branches are pale, the flowers should also be pale.